Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, good night. Hello everybody, my name is Sylvia Derahayu. You can call me Sylvia, a student of the Tree Nursing Study Program, Faculty of Health Science, University of Muhammadiyah Ponorogo. The material I convey about statistical measure of various psychological used to help determine a person's health status, especially in patients who are medically unstable of high risk factor for cardiopulmonary complication and to assess response to intervention. Can be interpreted as an act of checking blood pressure, temperature, respiration, and pulse. What are the tools used in the inspection? 1. To check blood pressure using sphygmomanometer and stethoscope. 2. To check body temperature using a thermometer. 3. To check breathing and pulse using a watch. Measurement is carried out with the aim of describe a person's general health condition. 1. The first benefit of checking blood pressure is to help detect a possible risk of hypertension or hypotension. What is a hypertension? Hypertension is condition of increasing blood pressure to exceed 114 per 18 mmHg or more. What is a hypotension? Hypotension or low blood pressure is a condition when blood pressure is below 19 per 16 mmHg. Some way that can be done to prevent hypertension or hypotension. Set a healthy diet and cause a balanced nutritious intake every day. For example, limiting or reducing salt and saturated fat, sugar intake, and increasing consumption of healthy foods such as fruit and vegetables. Drink enough water, at least 8 glasses to 2 liters of water every day. Regularly exercise for at least 20 or 13 minutes every day. Lose weight and keep it ideal. Manage stress. Well, for example, by doing yoga and getting enough rest. Avoid smoking and consuming alcohol before in excess. In addition, you also need to regularly check your blood pressure to check doctor or use your own blood pressure monitor at home. This is important to do prevent complication due to hypotension or hypertension. 2. The first benefit of checking body temperature is to help detect possible risks of hypothermia and hyperthermia. What is hypothermia? Body temperature that is too low is called hypothermia. This condition is dangerous because it can interfere with the smooth flow of blood, breathing, and the performance of vital organs of the body, such as the brain and heart. Hypothermia that is not treated immediately can even lead to death. A person is said to be hypothermic if his body temperature is below 35 derajat Celsius. One of the things that can cause this condition is when a person is hypothermia is an emergency condition that must be treated immediately, the initial action that needs to be taken when meeting people who have symptoms of hypothermia is to look for the presence of absence of a pulse and breathing. Hypothermia is different from fever. Fever is an increase in temperature that is completely controlled by the body temperature regulation system, whereas hypothermia is an increase in body temperature beyond the control of the system. The main treatment for hypothermia is to cool the body temperature. When symptoms appear, if you experience hypothermia, body cooling step, take a break from the activity you are doing. If necessary, you can rest while lying down. 3. Purpose: to assess the frequency of breathing. Take pneu, which a condition when a person's breathing rate is faster and shorter than normal condition. Tachypnea is decreased breathing rate or slow breathing. Purpose: to assess pulse frequency. The average pulse rate for a normal adult is 16 or 18 beats per minute. If the pulse is more than 100 beats per minute, it's called tachycardia. While if the pulse is less than 16 times per minute, it's called bradycardia. Thank you for attention. May be useful. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.